Not your wallet yet? No worries, stick around and we'll change that real quick. I'm about to break down exactly how to rug a coin for max profits. So hold up. Before I get into the full strategy, you've got to know the correct way to launch your MemeCoin. And let me be straight with you, if you're planning to do it on Pump.Fun, just stop right there. Hop onto Photon, filter for Pump.Fun DEX, and you'll see a flood of MemeCoins launching non-stop. Coins like FAFO or Selfie that you see on the screen appear every few seconds, but let's be real, they don't stand a chance. As you can see, market on Pump.Fun is way too crowded, since literally anyone and their mom can create a MemeCoin there. Take a look at Radium and filter through the new launches. You'll see immediately that the competition is way lower. In just 5 minutes, only 9 coins have gone live. But here's the key difference. Investors are actually hunting for MemeCoins launching on Radium. Just take a look at this trade volumes, market caps, and liquidity. Some of these numbers are wild. So why do people trust Radium coins more? Because launching here requires actual coding knowledge, and that alone filters out most low-effort projects. That's why we're going to launch on Radium, no doubt about it. Let me walk you through the exact steps. I recently discovered LaunchTool, and guys, this is next level. It gives you a way to launch your coin on Radium without needing any coding skills. You just click a few buttons and you're good to go. It's honestly ridiculous how easy this is. And no joke, this is the exact method I've been using to rake in massive profits lately. I went ahead and searched Google for a logo and I found the perfect one for my coin. As always, I love basing my coins on Star Wars, so I decided to create coin to honor our great master Yoda. All you need to do now is hop on canva.com, create custom 128 by 128 pixel design, paste the image you want, adjust to size, trim the edges, and that's it. Now here comes the fun part. We are actually going to create our token. Go to launchtool.io, make sure you are on the right website. First, we got to connect our wallet by clicking on Select Wallet. Next, we give our token a name and a trading symbol. I use Yoda Coin for the name and YODA for the symbol. In the description, just type some generic information about your coin. I typed, "This token is glorifying our Master Yoda," and upload the logo you just created on Canva. Click Next. On the next page, you are creating coin supply. Default values are perfect. We will create 1 billion Yoda coins. No need to change this. Click Next. Now for creator information, this is not really necessary. Your buyers will be coming from Radium. You really don't need more exposure than that. Save yourself 0.1 Solana, toggle off this option, and click Skip. As I said in the previous window, additional exposure is not really necessary. You can leave website information and social media links empty and click Skip. Now for revoke options, you have to leave them on. It will cost you 0.3 Solana for all of them. But they are major security checks for investors in your coin. If you can freeze holders' accounts, increase supply of your token, and change token metadata, nobody will invest in it. Remember, investors can see that you have these ability before they invest in your token, so my suggestion is to leave them on if you want to succeed. Click Launch My Token now. And just like that, your token is launched. Just confirm the transaction and you are in the meme token business. Well, not just yet, but you are getting there. Click on the last option on the bottom to see your token on SoulScan. Here you can see your current supply, name of your token, and trading symbol. Let's get back to LaunchTool and create our liquidity pool. Click on Create Liquidity Pool. It will take you to the Radium website. First, connect your wallet. Now for base token, I will select the token I just created. Go back to LaunchTool. By clicking on the first icon above Create Liquidity Pool, I copied the coin address, pasted in the search bar. Next, I put in the symbol and the name of my token and click on Add User Token, then select your token. Remember that I created 1 billion tokens. That is our max supply. For initial liquidity, put in the 900 million tokens. For quote token, select Solana, since you created the token on the Solana network. Put in the max amount of Solana that you have in your wallet, and lower it by 0.2 Solana, since that is the fee on Radium for pool creation. Remember, you are the first buyer of your token. You can't lose money on it because everyone must buy it from you, since you own all of them. For the fee tier, select 2% and click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the transaction and your coin is officially launched. On Portfolio tab, click on Standard and refresh your page in a few minutes to show you the liquidity pool of your MemeCoin. Now let's go to Photon to see our MemeCoin launched. And here it is. Click on it. Copy the address of your coin in the address bar, everything after the last /. Open DexScreener.com and go in any random coin you find. Open any random coin and paste the address of your coin into the address bar after the last /. And voila, your coin is presented on the screen. You can see that there are some transactions going on, but that are usually bots that auto-buy the coin. Oh, what's that? 10 seconds ago, somebody bought $25 worth of my coin. Yeah, the price is starting to grow. Trading is starting to pick up. There are some small amounts of sells, but it is not affecting the price. The liquidity is already almost doubled of what I initially spent on the token creation and liquidity pool. The price just spiked really high. Somebody just bought 0.5 Solana, $60 worth of the MemeCoin. Since launch 8 minutes ago, the price spiked almost 400%. This is crazy. I'm telling you guys, this method is amazing because we don't need any marketing and you can do the process over and over again. The coin is starting to lose a bit of traction, but still I don't see any major sell-off. Here comes another buy of 1 Solana. $125, the price just spiked over 10x since we started trading. Okay, the coin started to lose traction a bit. No new trades coming up. The last one of the $100 really pushed the spike, and now we can pull out the liquidity. Come back to the Radium website. In the Portfolio tab and on my positions, you should be on Standard. Sometimes the assets will not show up yet. In that case, just wait a few more minutes and keep refreshing the page. If you see it, click on the minus button, scroll the amount to 100%, and click on Remove Liquidity, confirm the transaction, and that's it. All the money is yours. I started with about 1 Solana in my wallet, about $130, and now I have $415. I've just tripled my money in total of half an hour. You got to admit, it's crazy. The fun thing is that you can do this multiple times. Just a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Anyway, I will leave the links down below. Guys, I'm telling you, this method is a gold mine. Jump on it while it's still working.